Hey, this is Tsukepen. Today I'm going to unbox this Lenovo Chromebook Duet. It's a very affordable tablet coming in at just around $250 depending on where you buy it. So one of the main reasons why I decided to pick up this tablet, not just because it's an affordable option, but because now Clip Studio Paint is available on Chromebooks, and you also have options like Sketchbook as well as IBIS Paint. So I wanted to check out what Chromebooks have to offer for artists, and this is the most affordable option, but also it's compatible with USI pens. Now, these pens are kind of unavailable at the moment from a lot of retailers, but I managed to pick one up. That's the main reason why I'm doing this, and I got the Lenovo pen, which is also an affordable option. Together, this whole set costs about $300 depending on where you buy it from, which is super affordable when it comes to a standalone drawing tablet. This also comes with a magnetic keyboard as well as a kickstand, which seems like it'll be a great option for artists that are looking for something kind of between a Surface Go 2 and an iPad mini 5 type device. I feel like it'll bridge the gap between these two devices, and I think it's always great to have different options, especially in different price ranges. So let's get unboxing. Included in the box are a few different accessories. You get this back cover that's magnetic, and it includes a kickstand. You get a keyboard with a magnetic attachment, like that, the charger, and a USB-C to headphone microphone jack. Again, the pen is a separate purchase, and it seems to be the more difficult item to find, but for artists this is a very useful tool, and it's probably the reason why you're getting this tablet. I feel that devices like the Lenovo Chromebook Duet are actually pretty rare. A device that has a dedicated pen, a kickstand, and a keyboard all together is something that you don't really find too often. Of course, you have the Surface line, which is a very similar form factor and serves a similar function, and you occasionally find other devices like this from other manufacturers, but Lenovo is a very reputable manufacturer, and I feel like the price point and the size is positioned to be useful for artists as well as students and other people, so I want to get this device, test it out, and see what it can do for me. This is my first time using a Chromebook, but I really like this form factor over even the iPad because it allows me to do so many things. With a kickstand, I can draw at a much better angle, and with the keyboard I could do my other work, which includes writing scripts for videos and things like that. For a long time, I wasn't looking at Chromebooks because they just didn't seem to suit what I wanted to do. They might have had different apps for writing and different things like that, but there didn't seem to be a really fleshed out drawing ecosystem. But now Clip Studio Paint, Sketchbook, and IBIS Paint are all available on Chromebooks because they now have access to the Play Store, and you have more and more Chromebooks coming out with pens like this. So I thought it would be a great time to jump in and see what it's like to use them and report on my experiences here on the channel. So I got things all set up, and I'm going to be testing out Sketchbook while I'm doing this video just to see how the pen works and how well the Lenovo Chromebook Duet performs. I think that this device does have some potential for a lot of different kinds of users. One benefit that I do see for a tablet like this over something like the Surface Go 2 is that it is a tablet at the end of the day, and it runs a more tablet-friendly OS, whereas Windows, when you just have a tablet, no keyboard, no pen, it's a little bit difficult to use, whereas this does give you a few different options. As you can see here, it's actually very close in size to the Surface, and I think it weighs just about the same. Maybe it's a slightly lighter device, but the Surface Go 2 has been something that I've been taking out with me almost every single day because it does give me access to a lot of the different tools that I need on a daily basis. I don't know if Chrome OS is going to be able to offer the same types of tools. Even if it does, we'll have to see if the Lenovo Chromebook Duet is up to the task as far as performance. So that's why I wanted to really test out this device and do a proper review, and for that I want your help. If you have any questions or concerns about this device, I would love to hear about it in the comments, and I will try my best to either answer it there or in the upcoming video. I'm Tsukepen, and thank you so much for watching.